Good evening. Extremely shocking and sad news for India. India's top military commander has died in a helicopter crash in the southern Indian state of Tamil Nadu, reports BBC. An IAF Mi-17 V5 helicopter, with Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat on board, met with an accident today near Kunur, Tamil Nadu. The helicopter had just taken off from the Army base in Sulur, and was headed for Wellington town, less than 100 kilometers, 62 miles, away. General Bipin Rawat was on a visit to Defence Services Staff College, Wellington, Nilgiri Hills, to address the faculty and student officers of the Staff Corps today. General Bipin Rawat, Mrs. Madhulika Rawat and 11 other persons on board have died in the unfortunate accident. Group Captain Varun Singh SC, directing staff at DSSC with injuries is currently under treatment at Military Hospital, Wellington. An inquiry has been ordered to ascertain the cause of the accident. Reports Indian Air Force via tweet. General Bipin Rawat oversaw surgical strikes against Pakistan, Myanmar. Captain Varun, pilot, is critically wounded with more than 80% burns and continued to be in ICU at the military hospital in Wellington. Latest pictures from the crash site where Indian military helicopter crashed in Tamil Nadu. Visuals from the Army helicopter crash site near Kunur in Tamil Nadu. Rescue operations underway. I am shocked and anguished over the untimely demise of General Bipin Rawat and his wife, Madhulika ji. The nation has lost one of its bravest sons. His 4 decades of selfless service to the motherland was marked by exceptional gallantry and heroism. My condolences to his family. It's deeply painful for me to learn of the loss of lives in the chopper crash. I join the fellow citizens in paying tributes to each of those who died while performing their duty. My heartfelt condolences to the bereaved families. Tweeted the President of India. Gen Bipin Rawat was an outstanding soldier. A true patriot, he greatly contributed to modernizing our armed forces and security apparatus. His insights and perspectives on strategic matters were exceptional. His passing away has saddened me deeply. Om Shanti. Tweeted Prime Minister Narendra Modi. I extend my condolences to the family of Gen Bipin Rawat and his wife. This is an unprecedented tragedy, and our thoughts are with their family in this difficult time, tweets Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. General Rawat, 63, was appointed India's first ever Chief of Defence Staff in January 2019. A Cabinet Security Committee is to hold an emergency session, chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Although the Mi-17 V5 is among the most sophisticated military transport helicopters, India's aging Air Force fleet is often blamed for a high number of crashes. The Mi-17 V5 helicopter, which crashed with Chief of Defence Staff, CDS, Bipin Rawat and 13 other people on board on Wednesday, is an advanced military transport chopper that has been with the Indian Air Force, IAF, since 2012. Manufactured by Russian Helicopters subsidiary Kazan, the helicopter has an onboard weather radar and is equipped with the latest generation of night vision devices. It also has the new PKV-8 autopilot system and a KNI-8 avionics suite. It can carry a maximum take-off weight of 13,000 kilograms and maximum payload weight of 4,000 kilograms. Reports PTI. In 2017, 7 military personnel were killed in a crash in the northeastern state of Arunachal Pradesh. The helicopter was on a training sortie. A year before that, another of the helicopters had crashed immediately after takeoff during a military drill in the northern state of Uttarakhand. No casualties were reported then. Wing Commander Prithvi Singh Chauhan was the pilot of the Mi-17 V5 which crashed with 14 personnel on board, including CDS General Bipin Rawat. He is the commanding officer of the 109 helicopter unit, sources. Reports ANI. The Indian Air Force helicopter with Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat on board that crashed on Wednesday belonged to the 109 helicopter unit based at the Sulu Air Base near Coimbatore. The helicopter was a Mi-17V5 variant, which is one of the latest versions of military transport helicopter available around the world and part of the Mi-817 series of Russian origin. The Indian government had awarded a contract to Russian manufacturers for 80 Mi-17V5 helicopters in 2008 at a cost of $1.3 billion. While the first of these were delivered to India in 2013, the final batch came in 2018. The helicopter has many variants, including a 36-seat one for carrying troops, for cargo transport and a version with an emergency flotation system. It is operated by a three-member crew, including a pilot, co-pilot and flight engineer. The single-rotor helicopter, with the rotor on the tail, has a dolphin-type nose, additional starboard sliding door and a portside widened sliding door. It can gain a maximum speed of 250 km per hour and a cruise speed of 230 km per hour. While its main fuel tank's range is 675 km, with two auxiliary fuel tanks it can fly for 1180 km. It can carry a maximum payload of 4,000 kilograms. The IAF has set up a repair and overhaul facility for the Mi-17V5 helicopters in Chandigarh. Reports Indian Express. Thank you.